Limitless, most sick. Here we go again, enlightened, yes, till the very fucking end. From my daughter Eleni Liliana Sanchez, you know how it goes with the real flows.
This is Majestic.
In a place where I feel so damn abandoned, yes, so few logical minds still left standing. Yes, they're stranded, simply surrounded. Yeah, cause the plug was always planted. Unplug my out and suddenly look where I have landed. Tell me how far, do you understand, kid? Yeah, cause I got to enhance it. Damn right, just go and take advantage. Just let my heart and mind always ravage. Damn right, savage. Cause everything here could quickly now vanish. But until then, I'ma show them what kind of life have I come to manage. Yeah, cause it all tend to get tragic. Yeah, suddenly just tends to be a habit. But I guess I gotta take my chances. Yeah, just bring forth these enlightened tactics. My life, not willing to abide, but forcing ourselves to conform, to comply. When we got to defy, got to realize respect goes to those who have gone and paid the price. Yeah, just out, trying to get their own slice, so I keep my eyes on the prize. Cause you know we're trying to reach it all before we come down to our own demise. Now here with the next verse, the messenger.
I think it's my time to shine. I like to rhyme, but what are you talking about in your song all the time? People walking in darkness, it's time for me to spark this up. So it's time for me to enlighten you and brighten you up. Yeah, where's your cup at? You wanna get a little drink? Maybe you could do a whole lot better listening. You can think, instead of running your mouth all the time, you need to shut your trap while I rap all that bull crap. You need to stop that. Yeah, I'll come on real till I keep it 100 though. That's how it is today, cause see, life ain't no joke. If you really wanna brighten your life up, then you gotta turn the light switch on. If you can enlighten yourself, you'll see a whole different song, a whole different side. The sunny side in the street, that's where the light shine bright every day and night. I keep it like that cause you know it's all good and straight up. All you have to do is stop, listen, and you can wait up. It never hurts to listen cause you can do good like that. It's like somebody just lacing you with another way to rap, another way to rhyme, another way to live, another way to give, another way to look, another way to think. Instead of negative, turn it to positive. Yeah, the two come together like electricity because we gon' shock you and rock you today, G. That's how we get down. Yeah, it's a message in the music in its own because that's what I do. It's significant in this song. Yeah, I'ma do it like this. It's just like an artist. Yeah, I'ma be like Mosaic when I play it and I say it. I start this type of shit. I like to begin somewhere. I don't really understand. Some people just don't care. Throw your hands in the air for what? This ain't no party song. You better realize and recognize. Open your eyes and understand. I can rise to the tip top. That's where the light is. And it's not cloudy no more, so I'ma take care of business. Yeah, the storm cloud done passed away. Summertime in my mind. Every fucking day in LA, fool. It's hot out here. Motherfuckers be at the beach in the sand, wiggling in their toes, playing volleyball and all that shit, man. Everybody out there just relaxing, dreaming in their own thing, and their own brain, their own weed, and we all sing a different type of song and a different type of tune. But I like the sunshine. That's alright to be outside in the mood, cause there's light even when it's dark. If you can really listen, just comprehend what I say, the message that I got today. It's sort of like writing you a letter, but I ain't gonna come half with it. I ain't gonna come half lit it, cause I have to get it and spit it like it's supposed to be done. It's all uncut, and this is how it is, girls with the big butts. Stop shaking it, but make it a better way to live. Your purse come first, but open up your mind and give a little bit of the knowledge back to your community. Fuck all that separation shit, we need unity, regardless of race, color, creed. Yeah, I like to smoke weed, take heed, but that's alright if you have to bleed your ink pen right until you win. Everybody be going to sleep, I'm like a vampire, my friend, up all night long, get my grind on, and I don't stop that. I like to pop that, drop that, and rock that like it's supposed to be done. I keep it all good, uncut, it's pure, it's authentic, and it's good cause I sent it in the radio vibes and in your eardrums, and when you put on your earphones you gon' hear me hum the song that I got, enlighten and brighten it, typing it up, writing it up, you know that I'm hyping it, passing it to the next man. This was a long verse, I ain't got no hook in it, but I had to say what I had to say, didn't have to rehearse. I just did this shit off the top of the DD for CD, my DG, I'm from the old school, past that Bun Beezy, yeah.
Alright, so didn't even take time to think about the first verse, cause in my fucking mind the first thing that popped up was the universe. It's crazy how there's so much space on this fucking earth and niggas is so greedy. But truth is we're trying to have a fucking peace treaty, not only with ourselves but with the fucking world. following the materialistic. We losing touch of the fucking realistic. People is living so fucking wicked, sadistic. They get so fucking twisted, caught up in the mix, and don't know how to handle when bullshit is thrown to them. But you just gotta just keep on hustling and moving, cause you just gotta switch lanes, cause in the end people don't always end up the same. So you always just elevate to the fucking level of playing. Just elevate to a different type of plane, cause this is a canvas and I can make up whatever I want. I can just paint and just get on top of anything, cause the truth is we in the sky. We just gotta look up, cause it's the light. Truth is that's the only thing that can shine bright in my life. Just make me better in my mind, cause we gotta end light. We just keep on fighting, just trying to keep the strive to this life, in which people think they actually living right, but it's bullshit to the ear and the eyes, fucking corrupted minds. But we just fucking gotta just think about the soul, because we just living so fucking cold. We gotta add that spark, we just adding the torch, passing the flame, always in rotation wherever we go. Just keeping our mind on the flow, always going coast to coast, from west to east. Niggas always keeping the beef, but truth is we're all the same, fucking living the same reality. Just trying to just live in fucking peace, instead of carrying the fucking peace and leaving another fucking brother sleep. Instead of fucking looking out for sisters that was there to give us fucking life to breathe. We are the same thing. Truth is we just gotta know how to achieve fucking greatness, cause like the homie Limitless said, we can make this of whatever we wish. Truthfully, make our fucking dreams reality, cause that's what we gotta start doing, instead of getting caught up in the mix and the greed. You know we're trying to just get cheese, obviously, but nobody's a fucking leech. Like my nigga Biggie, you know we all gotta just give to the needy. But damn, I don't know, I feel so many verses flowing inside of me that I just gotta release. I feel like I have a beast, but I'm trying to be at peace with my own self. Yeah, I ain't really fucking looking out for the wealth, I'm fucking looking out for health, because that's what it is. We just stuck in fucking hell, we just gotta prevail for the better story to tell. It's the same shit, history is repeated, but I just fucking deplete it, I delete it, and I make something fucking new, cause it's history. It's that story and her story and his story is all the same fucking story. And I'm just trying to just see something different that's to be of this shit that feels like a dream. But you know, reality ain't no